Hi everyone, I'm DK, and today we're going to look at the R165CCS-Li. There's a lever here on the saw, which allows you to adjust the bevel angle for this machine. It can adjust the bevel angle from 0 to 50 degrees, with a maximum capacity of 32 millimeters. The machine allows for accurate cutting with an adjustable depth of cut. This is ideal for plunge cutting to do, say, floor repair work. You might have noticed the blade guard, which has a polycarbonate design, giving you, the user, full visibility of the cutting line during operation. A straight edge guide is included. This will assist you on your straight line cutting of your sheet materials. The soft grip provides you with great comfort during operation. The trigger features a safety lock, which needs engaging to activate the saw, providing added user safety. The soft start on the motor aids in giving longer motor life to the saw.